still want to request Mombasa Cement in this era of COVID. There is an urgent need for support in oxygen supply. COVID has huge demands for oxygen, and we have requested not only Mombasa Cement but especially Mombasa Cement to assist us with a liquid oxygen tank or an oxygen plant, which is even better. Hopefully our request is going to be listened to and be considered favorably. The impact is huge. As you know, this particular hospital is a county referral hospital. All the charges are highly subsidized, so it's not a profit-making institution. So whatever donations that we receive, it actually helps us in reducing our operating expenditure. Yeah, so it's a huge impact. We have a large number of donors. Some of them, Mombasa Cement is one of the big donors. We have other donors from Dubai also. Friends of His Excellency the Governor, like Mr. Al Falasi, and other donors that are there, Safaricom Foundation, etc. So this is a very good gesture from Mombasa Cement and highly appreciated.